Ayan, snow here. My God, it's really blizzard. Blizzard today, February 1st to 2021. In New York City. 8 to 12 inches of snow. My God. Okay. Katao-tao. My goodness me. Kaloka. Lakas talaga. Hello everyone. This is larmik01. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking bedroom, hotel room. I'm working again, thankfully. And yun, bear with me kasi meron akong something is bothering in my tooth. So ito ang aking room. So yan, pakita ko sa inyo. So now I'm here in Minneapolis. Yan, ito, bungad na bungad sa by the door is the big mirror. Yan siya. Simple lang yung hotel room, pero maganda, malinis. Tapos dito ang bathroom. Yan, nakikita ko ang sarili ko. Charing. Yan, maganda siya, malinis siya. Pero ano lang siya, typical, just regular room. So, yan nakaagad. Ang hotel room. In Minneapolis. Minneapolis siya. Diba? At tapos ito ang aking view. Wow naman, ang ganda. Kita dyan. Ganda. Ganda ng view ko dahil may train. Oh. Se bongga. Ganyan. Oh, tapos ang TV ko ang laki. Panalo. So that's my room. I like the design. Oh, very bongga siya. Nice. I like this lamp too. Okay guys, hope you enjoy my hotel room.